Hi guys, it's Thursday. So today's gonna be a fun day, okay? I hope you get excited. So here is Thursday's agenda. And right now you're currently watching the video, so that's step one. Now step two is going to STEM Scopes, and you have a review game. Again, if you look on your assignment, it should be done. Hopefully you didn't go ahead and redo it already, but if you did, that's fine as long as it's done, right? So it's a quick concept review game over what you read yesterday and then kind of what you've been doing each day. And then you'll come back here and you're going to complete this fun assignment, okay? So you're going to create a cell model. Now, Monday, Tuesday, you kind of researched and figured out what prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells are and what they have and do not have. So now you're taking that and creating your own. Now, I want you to be creative, okay? Creative is the key word. You have a video that will show you an example of me creating this. So you'll watch my video, obviously, hopefully. You'll watch that video and it'll show you me creating a prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell with some things that I have at home. I'm not asking you to go out and buy specific things. I'm asking you to find what you can find in your house, okay? So you're going to create these cells. Make sure to label the parts of both your models, create a video or write a paragraph explaining your models and why you chose the parts to represent that cell. So I put some examples right here. You can use toilet paper, sprinkles, jelly, paper, aluminum foil, anything you can find that represents the cell. So make sure you really read over Monday and Tuesday. If you need to come over here to Google and type in what the cells look like again, type them in and see what they look like. But you're really going to try to find some things that match up with what each part is. And they really are cool things. So watch my video and I'll explain that thoroughly as well as I can. No, you're not going to copy mine, but you're going to create your own model and it's going to be so much fun. I'm sad we can't do this at school together, but I can't wait to see your videos and paragraphs and pictures showing me everything. Now, I've set it up to where you can do a video, and I've shown you that before where you can take your video or picture. But if you need to send me a picture on Class Dojo or parents, you can text me the picture, that's fine, but I would love to see a picture of what you did and what you created. Now, the video obviously is going to be the easier route. You can video you holding up your project, explaining, going through the process. But I know some of us don't want to do that, so you're going to write your paragraph, but I still need to see your model, okay? So make sure I see your model. That's part of the project. You have 50% of doing the actual model, 50% of explaining, writing the paragraph, showing me what the parts are, okay? So as you have questions, let me know. This is super fun. Have fun with it. Have your siblings help you. Have your parents help you. Do a great job, and I can't wait to see.